Hello, this is Greg from SharePoint Maven, and in this video I would like to explain to you how you can combine a keyword search as well as metadata search within a SharePoint document library. Let me first explain to you what I mean by this. So here's a scenario. Let's say you have a document library with some metadata, just like I have here. You see I have a library with some metadata I created, and all the documents are nicely tagged. And now, obviously, I'm trying to find something, right? So there are two ways I can search this library. I can obviously, because I have metadata, I can obviously click the filter icon on the right-hand side and say, hey, show me all the documents, for example, for these three departments. All right, here we go. That's option number one. Another option, I can use the keyword search, right? I can just use the search box that we have on the library. And let's say I'm looking to for all the documents that contain this particular keyword, whether it is in the title or somewhere inside of the document, doesn't really matter. It searches it all, but here we go. I can now see these few documents based on the keyword search. Well, what if I want to combine the two? All right, what if I want to filter and also do the keyword search? Here's the trick you need to use. Let me first show you what typically I think users do, and unfortunately it doesn't work. So let's say I want to do my keyword search. Here we go. Here's my keyword search. And now I want to be able to filter the results further, right? But look, I cannot. I just don't have any options. The filters pane is gone. I don't have this option. Here's the trick. Here's the trick you need to utilize if you want to combine the keyword search and metadata search. You have to reverse the steps. You have to filter first and then perform the keyword search. So for example, let's say I want to filter and I want to see all the documents that belong to these two departments. Here we go. A number of documents have come up. All right. Actually, let's just do one. Let's just do one because it's just going to be a little bit simpler. Here we go. And then if I now want to also do the keyword search, I need to do it after doing the metadata search. So you have to kind of reverse the steps. Again, do the metadata filtering first, then you perform the keyword search after you do the filtering. So here we go. Now I'm going to type in this particular keyword. Now, by default, it does come up with all the documents kind of that it finds with this particular keyword. But if I say see more results, look at this. I only get one result. I only get one result. All right. Why? Because it only found one result, with this particular keyword within the filtered results. All right. And remember, previously I think I had a few documents that matched this profile. All right. So again, the trick here is to reverse the steps. I know it's not very intuitive, right? You probably do the keyword search first and then try to do the filtering. But just like on online shopping sites, right? But here in SharePoint, we have to reverse the steps. Do the filtering first and then perform the keyword search. One last thing I wanted to mention before we end this video, my SharePoint Maven Academy. It's a place where you can enroll in a variety of SharePoint and Office 365 courses. All the courses are available on demand. So once enrolled, you can pretty much take them at your own pace. You navigate to the Academy by going to academy.sharepointmaven.com, and I will also leave the link in the video notes as well. But once you make it to the site, you can access all the courses. I have two different categories for you to choose from. I have some end user courses. I have some site owner courses, and I constantly record and add additional courses for you to enroll in. And again, once enrolled, you can access those courses at your own pace from the convenience of your computer. And that's pretty much everything I wanted to cover today. Hopefully you learned something new. As always, happy to see you again on my YouTube channel as well as my blog, SharePointMaven.com. Thank you very much. Have a great rest of the day. Goodbye.